$597. For what? For something called the Modern Day Income Blueprint. What is that? Well, that's simply what I called the page where I offer Boss Suite to the public. I call it the Modern Day Income Blueprint. It's over at moderndayincome.com, right? That's what I called it. And it costs $597. Now, as an affiliate, you earn a little over 500 bucks. But me, I'm a different kind of affiliate. I'm the one who has the master resale rights. So when you have the master resale rights, you get the full $597 and then you pay what is called an affiliate fee. And I'll just show you where I paid that at. That would be here. See, it says $75 amount paid. That is for the affiliate commission fee that you have to pay if you go the MRR route. Now, I could have simply used my standard affiliate link that Boss Suite gives everybody if they want to promote Boss Suite. You don't have to, it's just an option. But I would have received $507 straight from Madison Hatton, the owner. But I chose the MRR route because it gives me a little more leeway, a little bit of extra profit, and also I'm just used to doing that type of thing that way, being already experienced in digital marketing and affiliate marketing specifically. Now, if I use the standard affiliate link, Madison Hatton takes care of everything with delivering the membership details and all of that. But as an MRR person like myself, well, I sort of have to make sure that they get everything they need. I'm sort of helping to facilitate the process a little more. There's a little bit more administrative work, but I don't mind because, like I said, there's a little extra profit. And plus, it's just something I'm used to anyway. Anyone else, they could just use their standard affiliate link and don't have to worry about all that and just get $507 straight from Madison Hatton. Now, PayPal, which is how it came in, they took out like $21.33 for the fee. And I paid the $75. So that left me with about $500 net. Not bad. Not bad. And if you remember from the last screenshot, that was May the 7th. Now, what I want you to take a look at is when exactly did I join Boss Suite? Because that was my first payment. So when did I join? Well, if you look here, you'll see the date, March the 7th. The Boss Suite membership was approved. Membership approved. Hey, William Caleb, your membership request for Boss Suite has been approved. That's the day I enrolled in the Boss Suite. So, March the 7th, I enrolled. May the 7th, I got my first payment from promoting the Boss Suite specifically. So that's 2 months it took me. But the point is, it did sell. I did make a sale. It just took me 2 months. Took me in particular 2 months. Well, what was my method of selling? What did I use? How did I get anybody to even know about it to make that sale? Coming up next. I used YouTube. Welcome to my channel, Marketing with William. Hit the subscribe, hit the like. YouTube was my main marketing, well, is my main marketing method. And you can see here, it's not a big channel. But what's interesting is I've made many videos where I talk about the Boss Suite. But it was this one right here where the sale came from. Right here. Boss Suite scam. I paid $597 to find out. Now that's a sort of different title from the rest of the titles you might see. And you can see even before that video, look at all the other videos that I made. And although some videos have gotten way more views, it was the Boss Suite scam video which actually got the sale, which is interesting. Wonder why? Maybe it's because that's what people are wondering. Is this thing legit? And it absolutely is. I've proven it by going on the inside. I know a lot of people like a little drama, so maybe that's why that title might have hit. And I didn't make that video for the drama. Honestly, I'll tell you why I made that video. Because I was doing searches on YouTube for Boss Suite review, what is Boss Suite, see what else was already out there. That's a part of normal research that you do when you're doing videos. You look up what's going on in your niche or, and things of that nature. And I came across this video by this woman who straight out called Boss Suite a scam. And to be honest with me, y'all, I'm just going to be honest, it pissed me off. Because everything she was saying in there was a lie. A straight up lie. It wasn't just slightly misleading. She was deliberately lying. I watched the whole video and she just lied through and through. This is a woman who never even been inside Boss Suite and never met anybody else who was inside Boss Suite. Don't even know nothing about what's in it. And here I am, a paid student, a happy member, who's doing all these reviews, showing people what's really behind there, showing people what's inside the community. I mean, I got so many videos here where I show people. I even got a playlist. If you go to moderndayincome.net/play, you'll see my whole Boss Suite playlist. But all of these videos, most of them, I'm showing the inside of Boss Suite in some form or another, or I'm giving people inside access. I'm telling them what's going on, how it actually works from someone who actually paid the $5.97. And it pissed me off when I saw her lying like that. So I made this video to go into that and to debunk some of the nonsense she was saying. Now, I didn't mention her name, and I'm not going to mention her name now. But the passion that I had in that video obviously moved somebody to invest in themselves as well. So I'll probably do more videos like this after analyzing this. I'll probably do some more videos along that nature. I just wanted you to see how that happened, and it took 2 months. Now, this is all organic. So I am currently experimenting with some paid advertising. I've ran a few ads here and there, and right now I'm gonna bump up some of the ads with more money. I haven't really spent over $200 as of yet on ads, so I'm really starting to experiment. And really, you need to fund ads. You need to fund ads and get, oh man, some serious clicks before you have any real stats to look at to know what's working versus what's not working advertising. Wow. But in the meanwhile, YouTube is just the main thing until I get these paid ads working just the way I need it, and I keep funding them. But yeah, that's what's going on. And yeah, while we're at it, we can also go ahead and have a look at Boss Suite itself. So this is what people actually see when they get in the private community. These are all the different modules which contain many lessons behind each one of these modules. All the different things that the Boss Suite teaches. And there's even a second page because there is a lot. I mean, a whole lot here that's being taught. Look at all of these lessons. All of these lessons, all of these different courses. There's over 22 income streams being taught. That's what people are investing in when they get the Boss Suite. They're investing in trainings that teach them online income generation methods. And if we click on the UGC Brand Deals course. Each block is a course. See on the left-hand side, those are all the title lessons. Some of them have sub-lessons within them. It's very unique and thorough. You're in an online classroom. You're in an online classroom. That's what it is. I just wanted you to get an idea of what it looks like. It's an online classroom. I gotta stress that because a lot of people aren't understanding that. That's what you're getting when you come into the Boss Suite. And you can see the tabs at the top. Community tab. Let's go to community tab here. And you can see actually some of the testimonials right here of some of our members. You can just browse over some of that. You can see some of it. I'll let you, as I try to scroll a little slowly. We're getting so many wins from the students and the members. And yeah, it'll just go on and on. As you can see from the bottom, you see how many thousands of testimonials there are. We're not going to go through them all. And y'all, I want to let you know something too. Boss Suite is like a year old. And look, we're over 15,000 members. And that's 15,000 paid members. Something's got to be going right here. It's got to be going right. So don't think for 1 second that this is in any shape, form, or fashion some type of scam. This is truly legit, and our members and students are winning. Now, one of the things that's important, I want to reiterate is you don't have to promote Boss Suite as an affiliate. Again, I'm an affiliate marketer. What you should be doing, what I'm going to be getting more into as well, is you should be taking one of these courses. Just go through one of the courses and use one of these income streams and make money with that. But like I said, I'm an affiliate marketer. And $500 commissions is real good because if you get once I get it going consistently, where I'm getting 2 or 3 of those every week, that's what's up. Because where I'm living at, that's pretty good. Getting 2 or 3 $500 payments every week from promoting something as valuable as Boss Suite, and not to mention every single week throughout multiple days within every week. You also get live webinars and live training in addition to all of this. In addition to all of this, you're getting live webinars and training. You can go on there and ask any question you want, and it'll get answered by one of the admin. And yeah, this is just something you don't want to miss out on. This is the Boss Suite, y'all. And right now, if you're currently watching this, up until the Father's Day weekend, up until Saturday night, there's a $100 off special. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go to moderndayincome.com and hit the button that says Get the Boss. Hit that button. You'll see the sales page from me, done by me. You're gonna see me there, and you'll even see a little play button at the top that features that scam video. Hint, hint. You can watch that scam video there as well. It's not long. It's about 8.5 minutes long, so it's not going to take up much of your time. But I want you to invest in yourself. Now that I've shown you what you're being given, and I've shown you what I've done and what I'm going to do. Just being real. I'm putting it out there. Be and it is. And you can do the same. Results are not typical. Not everybody makes money online. Not everybody does. I mean, and there are a lot of scams online, but this ain't one of them. I assure you, I give you my word, and I got some cool bonuses you're gonna want when you come in with me. I got other review videos that talk about the bonuses. And also, when you go to moderndayincome.com and you hit that Get the Boss button, you'll see some details about the bonuses there as well. And don't forget that playlist. I may link to it somewhere here, but you can always go to moderndayincome.net youtube.com/play and watch the whole Boss Suite series. All right? Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. Again, go ahead and hit that like button. Subscribe. Helps YouTube know who's putting out the real information besides who's just straight up lying. Peace and light. Everything's going to be all right.